Andrew! I'm here! Good Lord, guys! Oh, this is cool. I'm going to get you coming in. Paddle, paddle, paddle.
Hard riding. Right side draw.
Oh my gosh, guys! Where's Nathan?
He didn't want to come. He thought it was too cold and too high.
Okay.
He was right.
He was right?
Right.
Ay, 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 ay. Becky,
3-point contact.
you made it in just under 2 hours. You know that, right?
No, it was longer than that.
Really?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. Don't drag it too much. Okay. I'm glad you were starting to holler because we were.
Beginning to wonder where it was. I had a feeling when I saw how close it was, you were going to need that.
Ow.
You might want to do something to hold on to it. It might decide to float back out.
No, it's too much. It's totally different than it was at 92 cubic feet per second.
And that was last year?
No, that was a couple weeks ago. We had some interesting